Hi, my name is Michael Scott with the Colorado Hospital Association. Welcome to our third annual career event that's being held at Sports Authority Field in downtown Denver, Colorado. Despite the threat of 12 inches of snow today, we still had job seekers come out to look for opportunities with all our hospitals here in Colorado.
As you're looking for work, you want to make sure that you're in an organization that values leadership and gives you an opportunity to move up. I talked a little bit before about assuring that you have a competent management team, but don't be afraid to interview the person that's going to be your direct supervisor. And if you don't have the opportunity to meet with that person, you need to insist that you know who you're going to be working for. And query them about their values, their behaviors, and their commitment to evidence-based medicine.
We put on our website about 10 criteria that we're looking for. So we look for GPA, we hope that you have past clinical experience, and coming from children's, probably the most important thing is that you have a passion for pediatrics.
When you look at a candidate, you do look at professionalism and so forth, but something that I like to look at is their passion for nursing, and it comes out when you talk to a candidate, whether it be on a phone, and then even when they do the face-to-face with the manager, they do comment that you can tell they're passionate about what they do, and they come across as professional and excited about starting their career in nursing or whatever field they're going into.
You have to think about the staff you're working with. You want to make an impression. You want to get to know that manager. And adding to the resume, things you can do is get a generic email. That's important.
How you present yourself from the minute you get on the phone to the minute you email to the minute you walk in the door. So professionalism and wanting to be in the healthcare market is a huge, huge piece for us.
For someone who's over 50 and either trying to break into healthcare or return, if they're returning and they've been a nurse prior, they would definitely need to take a refresher course. I would probably ask them maybe to volunteer or to shadow to see all the changes that have occurred since they've been out of the field. It also depends how long they've been out too. If they're wanting to break into the field of the medical field in the hospital, I would encourage them to look at the different areas. It's not just nursing. There's so many different fields, and probably looking at the physical nature of the job also.
Colorado is a great place to work in the healthcare industry for a variety of reasons. We have a large population here in the Denver metro area, so the population is here. Environmentally wise, it's a great place to live and work. It's a balance between work and play.
Events like this help me because I can see what other opportunities are there, not just the internet search or what comes up on Google, but I can see the hospitals and what they're actually looking for in a new nurse graduate.
The career fair helps definitely for new grads like me. It helps get my foot in the door and network with a lot of healthcare professionals, especially recruiters, so it can kind of increase my likelihood of getting it.
So it's nice for us to be able to come out here and share our mission visions with candidates and try and find candidates that will be a good cultural fit to our positions as well as a good technical fit.
Today's career fair went very well. There were a lot of interesting people here and good representation of all the major networks in the Denver area.